Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanesh Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to solving mathematical problems and understanding also. Because some methods are easy but we cannot understand them in easily. So today we learn how to solve the triangle problem easily and understanding form. So starting today we learn triangle part in similar triangle type. What is the definition of similar triangle? Generally we have already learned the definition of triangle. A polygon which have three sides is called triangle. It has three sides, three vertex, three angles, sum of all angle is 180 degree, these type of things. But in similar triangle is the part of triangle and similar. So we have to know what is the definition of similar. Similar means same. If two figures shape are same is called similar figures. Similar, all circles are similar because all circles are in round shape. So that is all circles are similar. In this type, all square are also similar. All equilateral triangle are also similar. Similar means two figures which shape are figure. And in similar triangle means that is also similar. Two triangle which shape are same, that is called similar triangle. But similar triangle have some conditions. First, it choice to some type of conditions. First, if we have to prove all side ratio are equal, means here we have two triangle. A, B, C, D, E. For similar triangle, we have to prove some conditions. It is our choice which condition we select. First, if all side ratio are equal, then it is similar triangle. Means AB upon DE, BC upon EF, and AC upon DF. In triangle, if all side ratio are equal, then it is called similar triangle. Second condition, if two side ratio are equal, AB upon DE equal to BC. If two side ratio are equal and one including means middle angle are also equal, means angle B equal to angle E. In third part, if two angles are equal, here some students learn three angles are equal and sometimes two angles are equal. They are confused. They do not confuse because sum of all angle is 180 degree in triangle. If two angles are equal, then third are also equal. So it is not confusing. If two triangles are similar, then all three angles are equal. If two angles are equal, then third also angle are equal. So angle A is equal to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, equals to angle F. So if a triangle are similar, then all side ratio are equal and all angle are equal. In second language, if in two triangle all side ratio are equal, then it is called similar triangle. In two triangle, two side ratio and including angle are equal, then it is called also similar triangle. And third, if all angle are equal, then it is called similar triangle. In two triangle, if only two angles are equal, then it is called also similar triangle. Because in similar triangle, if two angles are equal, then third angle are also equal, because third angle is the subtract sum of two angle from 180. Then we get what? Third angle. So if two angle are equal, then third is also equal. For proving any questions, we have a choice for proof any one condition in these of things. In similar triangle, only shape are equal, size are not compulsory. If two triangle, shape and size both are equal, then it is called congruent triangle. Congruent triangle is the large part of similar triangle. Because similar triangle, it is possible lot of triangle are similar, but for congruent, their side are also equal. So if two triangle are congruent, then it is similar. But two triangle are similar, then it is not compulsory, it is congruent. So today we learn how to prove and how to solve the similar triangle questions in easily, and how many type of question similar triangle asked in any examination. First topic is questions. It asks sometime question or sometime theorem conditions. So in triangle, he asked in triangle, in a triangle ABC, a line parallel to one side. In triangle, a line parallel to one side intersect other two sides in same ratio. So yeah, then we have to prove other side ratio are equal. So again I am repeating that in a triangle, a line are parallel to one side, then it divide other two sides in same ratio. Other two sides in same ratio. So we have to prove first in triangle, a line parallel to one side, then it divide other two sides in same ratio. It is the language questions in examination for similar triangle. Lot of time this question are repeat in 10th board examination, in junior examination, in half yearly examination, and lot of examination, because it is the important question in triangle of similar triangle part. In triangle, a line is parallel to one side and it divide the other two sides in same ratio. So proving that, we have given only this is a triangle and DE parallel EF. So given, always we have in theoretical and prove that question, first remember that what is the given. So we have given DE parallel BC only. DE parallel BC. Every time in any question, first you remember what is the given, because given is the base of our solutions. So our questions, only two things are given. One, it is triangle. Second, DE parallel BC. We have only two things, but we have proof their side ratio are equal. Side ratio we can represent lot of type. Generally, we write this is AD upon BD and AE upon EC. But it have another method, because side ratio means AD ratio BD, means two parts ratio, but any one parts have the ratio equal from total, means AB upon AD upon AB equal to AE upon AC, means upper part ratio with the total sides, and BD upon AB or CE upon AC. Here down part ratio with the total sides. So these three type ratio is same represent the side ratio are equal because all three are side ratio, other two side ratio, and also inverse of these all three things are also side ratio. So today we have to prove any one thing means side ratio are equal. For proving it, generally we see our draw. In draw we have C, ABC is triangle, DE draw a perpendicular from any intersection point to opposite side. Means we draw a perpendicular from D to AC and E to AB. That name we have suppose anything just like DP and EQ. It is perpendicular from opposite side. Means we draw perpendicular from intersection point to opposite side. That's why we have we make draw just like this type. Also next step, in triangle we have know that area of triangle ADE. In this draw, in triangle ADE, we have calculated the area two method. First method if we take base AD, and second method if we take base E. Then both method are right, so we write in both method equal to 1 upon 2 base. First we take base AD, multiply AD, multiply height. Height is EQ for AD because height is represent is perpendicular length from top of the base. If base is AD, then height is EQ. Equal to next 1 upon 2 AE cross DP. Here both side is 1 upon 2. Then we have AD multiply EQ equal to AE multiply DP. It is our first equation. I am again repeating that in triangle ABC, DE parallel BC are given, but we draw a perpendicular from E to AB and D to AC. EQ and DP are perpendicular from vertex intersection point to opposite side. Then we get a triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADB we can calculate by two base. First base is AD, then height is EQ. Second base is AE, height is DP. Then we have general formula of triangle is 1 upon 2 base multiply height. Because both of side is 1 upon 2, then we cross out it, then we get AD multiply EQ is equal to AE multiply DP. So after it, we solve next step. For similar triangles, generally you will always remember side ratio and angles equality. So next we take, see here we join line intersection point to opposite vertex. So join E, B and D, C. E, B and DC. Always. Again I am repeating that previous time we draw perpendicular intersection point to opposite side. Now we joined intersection point to opposite vertex. Then we get also two triangles, triangle BDE and triangle CDE. We have in previous time we have learned between two parallel lines on same base area of triangle are equal. Between same parallel line on same base area of triangle are equal. Then means area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CDE. Always you remember that between two parallel lines, because DE parallel BC, between two parallel lines on same base. Here base are DE. Area of triangle are equal. Means both area are equal. Then use simple formula. 1 upon 2. Base we take BD. And height. Height is represent a perpendicular from vertex to opposite side. Here perpendicular EQ is outside of triangle, because in obtuse angle triangle always perpendicular comes outside of triangle. It does not affect in areas calculation. So we use perpendicular which are given. So BD multiply EQ. Next 1 upon 2 base CE multiply DP. We have calculated area of triangle, both are equal. Then also here 1 upon 2 are in both sides. So cross out that 1 upon 2, then we get BD multiply EQ is equal to CE multiply DP. This is second equation. Here we have both two type of triangle. We solve two equations. Then divide the both of these, 1 divided by 2. Then AD multiply EQ upon BD multiply EQ equals to CE multiply AE. AE multiply DP and CE multiply DP. Here EQ are same in numerator and denominator, it is cross out, and DP are also same, then it is also cross out. Then we get AD upon BD equals to AE upon CE. So we have proved it. But if we want to prove second type or third type, it is not effective and any tough condition. It is easily we can calculate. But here we have already proved side ratio are equal. But if you want to prove second and third condition, does not take any tension. Just add 1. But first check which parts are not coming. That take in numerator. Here BD are not coming. So first we take BD in numerator. Just like BD in generally BD take in numerator BD upon AD plus 1 CE upon AC plus 1. After adding it, we know that if we add any friction 1, then the denominator is never changed. If we add 1 in any friction, then denominator is never changed, right, as it is. And in numerator we write the sum of numerator and denominator both, means BD plus AD. What is the BD plus AD? BD plus AD is AB. It is AB. Next, CE plus AE is what is this? Yeah, sorry, here we write wrong. AE So A plus CE is AC. It is the same of second condition. So it is our proof for similarization. But it is not compulsory for solving because it is extra work. Nothing for important. But these things are important. So if we want to prove side ratio are equal, first check which line are parallel. Here given is line DE parallel BC. Then we take triangle ABC. We want to prove side ratio are equal. First we take triangle which are common in both of sides. Then area of triangle ADB are same for finding any method of base and formulas. So 1 upon 2 base multiply AD upon multiply EQ and 1 upon 2 AE multiply DP. Then 1 upon 2 cancel, AD multiply EQ, AE multiply DP. And next, area of triangle BDE, area of triangle CDE are equal because between same parallel line on same base, area of triangle are equal. Next, 1 upon 2 BD cross EQ equal to 1 upon 2 CE multiply DP because area is equal for taking any base. Because area of triangle BDE we can calculate by any method, any base, it is our choice. And it depends what is the given in our question and what we need the in answer. So equation first divide by 2, EQ are cancel and DP are also cancel, then we get side ratio are equal. If you want to change in total ratio, we have just add 1. But before adding 1, we have observed that which part are not given in denominator. Then we take that part in numerator. So it is our solution. So by this method we can prove triangle in a triangle one line are parallel, then other side ratio are divided in same ratio. So thank you for watching this.